Hey, and welcome back to the stream. We are building out a whole bunch of things, and I'm getting slightly stressed again because I think I've chewed off more than I can actually, or bit off more than I can actually chew. We are nowhere near done with the outlift.lol page, and at the same time, we're making little progress on the Wonop app. So we have a whole bunch of things to do. So let's dive right into it. So I'm in the process of basically releasing the outlift.lol right now, but we are not there. We're not done yet. And at the same time, wait, what happened? My browser just died. With that, all of my sound died. That's not good. That is unexpected. Okay, give me a second here and we'll get the sound back. This also means that I can't see anything that anybody's writing. Okay, we're back. Okay, great. We're back. We have everything back now. Let's dive right into it. Okay, cool. So we are right now having the agent run another pass on whether it's doing the mail inbox correctly. So we found a bug where basically the app is completely useless right now because the mail inbox between agents doesn't work. Now, one of the nice things I did notice was that yesterday I sent some wrong messages to this agent and it actually redirected it to the right agent, which I think is kind of cool. But it's no use if things are not working. At the same time, we are building out outlift.lol. We have the site ready now. We basically want to deploy this within this live stream. Oh, hey there, CodeBam. First link for outfit says DNS not found, just FYI. Oh wait, have I written outfit? It's going to be, it's not live yet, so this is exactly it. But it's going to be outlift.lol. We are in the process of building this out, so it's not deployed yet, which is why the DNS wouldn't resolve. Let me take you right here. Let's start up a demo server. You can see what it's going to look like. So you might have seen the outbit craze we had last week. Oh, wait, and let's see, can I reset this terminal? Yeah, okay, great. So the key issue is that we haven't rolled it out yet, so we forgot to write the Kubernetes manifest for it. But let's try to just run the development server, and you can have a peek at what it actually looks like. So this is a leaderboard for basically doing exercise, and so you might have seen the outbit craze we had last week, and so I thought, oh wait, what's happening now? Why is it doing this? Let's check this out. Secrets. All right. Oh, what the fuck? It's adding Docker images to the secrets. We don't need that here, so we're just going to fill in some random garbage. Let's do this. All right. outlift.lol secrets in it. Okay, getting back to what I was saying. Last week we had the outbid craze, and so what I thought is that instead of doing another leaderboard on spending money, we're going to do a leaderboard on doing activity. And together with that, we're actually building out a full fitness coach app, which I'm doing here on my laptop. We'll get into that in some of the later live streams, but it's basically a sidetrack from what we were doing. So we're building out Wonop normally on a day-to-day basis, but I thought this was worth just jumping on and doing for the fun of it. So let's see, that thing is up running. Let me get a... So this is not too different from the other leaderboards we have out there. It's... Did I start it on port 9000? Let's check. Yeah, so here you go. Basically, the key idea is you connect your Whoop device. And then with that, you get to do a listing. So you can fill in your X handle, you can fill in your product name. And now after that, all you have to do is start lifting weights and train hard to get on the leaderboard. The one who trains the hardest gets the highest on the leaderboard. And with that, we have our leaderboard. So that's pretty much the concept. Together with this, we're going to build out a fitness coach app. That's happening in the background, so we'll bring that in some of the next live streams. But for now, we're just focusing on getting this out there so we can get a leaderboard going. And let's see, this tab we can close. Let's check out where we are with fixing the Kubernetes manifest. So right now what the agent is doing is writing out the Kubernetes manifest, and at the same time we are spending our time finishing the Wonop app. Let's see where we are at with this. Okay, let's just check out if everything is fixed now. Two things I did not do the easy way. Okay. Went over 1500 lines. Packet through the execute script, no. Okay. Let's just check. Okay, let's get back. Oh wait, what's this now? Okay, that's just a huge message. Fine. Let's get back here and go to the terminal. So we will just prepare Oh, I see. We should close that one. That was not on purpose. Let's just open another window here and do... Okay. So while this is running in the background, let's just prepare for rollout. Hopefully we can roll this out during the stream. That would be super cool. Just get the first things going. Let's see. Docker registry. Where did that one go now? Docker registry. I need to find that back. And then we're just going to set up the secret. Oh, shoot. Okay, now we just need to wait for it to finish the Kubernetes manifests, which it has done now. And all we had to do was add the... Cool. So we should be ready to roll this out. Let's do this. And at the same time, we are part of this ship or die competition. So let's get in here and just register this product. Shipordie.com. Chances are that I will end up dying with the amount of stuff that I'm taking on. But hey, you only live once until you die. So let's do this. Okay, and as you can see, we have 13 days and 1 hour left for Wonop. But let's go to ships and wait, start a second mission. So this is the second mission. You'll have 2 deadlines ticking at once. Miss any one of them and you'll die. Oh my god, this is so nerve-wracking. But let's do this. I feel confident that we will ship this tomorrow-ish. Yes, you have asked me that now 3 times. Come on. Guys. What the fuck? Why is this unnamed? Man, I don't get this. I don't get this. What happened here? Oh, right. Okay. We need an icon. Fuck, I don't have an icon. Or do I? I think we have one for... Let's just see. I do think we have one. Let's just try to check this out. So, localhost www. Did we shut down the server again? It appears we did. No, we didn't. Why is this not running? Yeah. That icon looks kind of rubbish though. We need to fix that. Anybody knows the best skill for creating icons or app logos, let me know in the chat. That would be really helpful at this point. Did we roll out? Yes, we've pushed the images. And seems that we generated everything. Let me check GitLab. Yes, here it is. Okay, so we just need to copy this, get that into Argo CD, and we are cooking, baby. Let's do this. No, that's the wrong app. Where did my Argo CD instance go? Oh shoot, that one was killed when the browser died. Okay, so Argo CD is spinning up the thing right now. We need to set up the DNS for this. That will also just happen in private here on another screen. Oh shoot, I need my phone. Here it is. Eight 472. Let's do this. And then find the domain. Okay. So all I need now is finding the IP address and we should be ready. Let me find that. So I wonder if we are up running now. Let's check this out. There you go. We are live. So we have the leaderboard up, but something isn't right. We can't connect, but the website is out. So perfect. We're getting there. And why can't we connect? Okay. That doesn't seem right. What's going on? So it seems that our backend is broken. Okay, let me check that out because it's not supposed to be broken. This was supposed to just work. But that's software development. Nothing ever works the way you want it to in the first go. We're getting close though. Wait, why are there no locks for this one? Okay, we are going to... We're going to fix this the simple way. We're basically going to be super lazy and do all the things that people advise against. So maybe we'll bring down the production cluster. Maybe the planet will catch fire. Who knows what's going to happen? Oh, no, not now. Don't do that. Wait. Yeah. Wait, what? Why didn't it paste that? Okay, let's see if it's going to fix that. And in the meantime, let's check out what the other agents are doing. But we're getting to a point where things are working. Okay, let's see. I thought we instructed it to fix things. What it does this time is virtual advances, a counter date now, blah, blah, blah. 6 behaviors, idle, wired. I checked the tests that actually catch things, but reverting, repaste, fix doesn't fail anything, and I chased that down rather than shipping green suit. Okay, I've written into the code comment the commit. Full gate is now running. Okay. Remaining unchanged. The mailbox tabs has never been rendered. Mail to a busy agent still takes up to 10. Why does it take 10 minutes by design? Ah, right, to a busy agent. Okay, we need to talk about this because a lot of times we don't want this to take 10 minutes. So basically we want mails that are sent to an agent. I think we want those ones to arrive instantly. And if anything, we would want to change the mailbox such that you have a delivery time rather than the system deciding that it should take 10 minutes. Like that seems weird. And certainly not my what I would have chosen. So I'm curious what the actual issue is here. It's not entirely obvious to me what the issue is. I'm sure we could work this out if we spend more time looking at the logs. Oh, but it's referencing a whole bunch of things it shouldn't be referencing. That's interesting. How does that even work? So I can see that there's mixed some stuff in. So what project is this going on? I have a few different projects we're working on right now. So let me walk you through them. Right. So the primary project we're working on is called Wonop. This is a agent orchestrator where you have a system agent. Let's see if it wants to come up. Let me just hang up there and call it again. Hey there. Could you tell me what we are doing right now? So this is the main thing that I'm working on. And so this is a agent orchestrator where you have a system agent that talks to...
I'll check the active workspace, ticket, and agents so I can tell you exactly what is happening now. Right now we're in the 373 workspace, fixing slow and ambiguous agent mail delivery. The active ticket is attached as the brief, and a Claude agent is working on bounded acceptance latency. Wake behavior truthful L IFECYCLE states message status visibility, and keeping ODE state consistent. There are no background jobs currently running.
Okay, cool. So this is the main project we're working on. It's called Wonop, and it's an agent orchestrator that makes it super easy to manage multiple agents. Now, as a side project, we started working on outlift.lol. So if you might have seen this last week, we had the craze with outbid.lol, where people basically wasted insane amount of money on, well, not wasted, spent insane amount of money on getting marketing done. And we are making a similar kind of leaderboard, but for training. So as you may or may not see from the stream, I have a whole training set here behind me, and I'm very much into training and staying healthy. And so I thought, let's make a leaderboard where you basically become, where you do marketing while training. And we are just putting that leaderboard up now. Together with that, we are building out a training app that will put together a program for you to basically make sure that you have a nice and easy program to go through. I hope that we'll be able to get the rest of this site up within the remainder of the stream. We seem to be pretty close, but we're not quite there yet. And we're taking each and every one of these projects forward at the same time. And hi there, Tech with More. How are you doing today? Let's see. Okay, so where are we here? Commits clean, closes. Still waiting on your call on the stock counter fix from my last message. That's the 10-minute and the one thing that's left. Okay, so what exactly does it want me to do here? The gate came back. So one of the reasons why we are not talking to the agents right now is because the communication system within this system is broken, and that's what we are working on fixing. Which because the agent usually isn't busy. Look at my window. Let's see, what is the question that it actually wants us to answer? And this is exactly the key thing that I talk about when I talk about text overwhelm. There's so much text here, and actually all I want to know is where is the bloody question? I don't need all the rest of the text. Okay, let's just ask it. Okay. So that's the 10 minutes, and the thing that left rather than immediately slow. Wanted such that mail items are delivered immediately by default. So we want it such that they are delivered immediately. So we want these two modes. That's basically the same as we have when we're using codecs, right? You have the steer mode, and then you have the schedule mode. So, and we want the same here. Okay, let's see where are we with getting this working. So it's write something here. So I've had this once before where I was working with Claude inside a live stream, and all of a sudden it just started leaking secrets into the main view here, which made me kind of sad because I had to rotate a whole bunch of things after the stream. That's very suboptimal. So, which mode is the default when the sender doesn't specify one? Send message has 30 existing callers that pass nothing. What does it mean by this? Okay, and we're rolling out the next version of outlift.lol. Oh no! My browser quit on me again. I think this is it, Ark. You are probably going out because that's the second time during this live stream you're dying. I will probably move to, what is it called again? Zero or Zen browser or whatever it's called. The Firefox-based one, because this is getting a little bit ridiculous. Okay, let's see if this has come up. No, there's still some issues. Claude, you're letting me down. You're supposed to work fast. Oh, I see. So the problem appears to be connecting to the database. Let me just go and check the board for that. Okay, interesting. So I think the issue there is that or maybe so I think we're just going to fix this right away. I've increased the number of connections now to 200 for now, but we need to fix the real problem. And the real problem here is that we're not managing our connections correctly. Oh, and we still need to set up a S3 bucket. That has not been set up. Okay, so we're making progress here. That's good. Let's check out where we are with updating. Oh my goodness, it still does this. Hallucinating random shit that we actually don't have. It was too rusty, but okay, the real callers model writing TypeScript at runtime and the agents over MCP. I can't enumerate or update, which is a better argument. Okay. My goodness, 1 hour flies by when you're having this much fun. We are not quite where we want to be, but we are coming to the end of this live stream. So it's been great having you on, and we are so close to having this up running, and I love it. We can see that there are some things that definitely already work. So we have the 4 visitors since launch. We do have a little bit of UI issues here where we need to make it such that this is always one line, but I think we are getting there. So thank you so much for watching along, and I'll see you again.